Hey guys, Zafar here. So in today's video we are going to learn something new. So today we will learn negative effects on CapCut. So let's hop on today's video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
I hope you like this tutorial. See you guys with another tutorial. Till now, bye.